In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a payment history in QuickBooks efficiently. This is an essential skill when managing your finances, whether it's for personal bookkeeping or small business accounting. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, we're going to get started by accessing your QuickBooks account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. It's located on the top right corner of the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not on the homepage yet, open your web browser and visit the QuickBooks website. Once you're ready to sign in, you'll be prompted to choose an option. Here, you want to select QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a popular accounting software that many businesses use because it allows you to access your financial data from anywhere with an internet connection. It's quite user-friendly, which is why it's the option we'll focus on for this tutorial. Now that you've selected QuickBooks Online, go ahead and type in your credentials. These are the details you use to set up your QuickBooks account. If you can't remember, there's usually an option to reset your password, so don't worry. Once you've entered your email address and password, click Continue. Now that you're logged in, let's find where the payment history is hidden. You want to direct your attention to the top right part of the screen once again. There you'll see a search icon or bar. It's usually pretty prominent. Click on this to open up your search options. Next, you'll want to locate the advanced search option. This step is crucial because it allows you to filter down the search to find exactly what you're looking for. Go ahead and select this option and a variety of filters should become available to you. Among these options, you're going to find transaction type, which is essential for narrowing down your search to payments only. Click on the transaction type drop-down menu. If you're unfamiliar with what a drop-down menu looks like, don't worry. It's usually a box with an arrow pointing downward, indicating that there are more options to explore. Once you're inside the transaction type list, scroll through and find Payment. Selecting Payment ensures you're only pulling up records of payments made, filtering out unnecessary data. This is a time saver, especially when dealing with a large volume of transactions. Click on Payment and QuickBooks will display all the relevant payment history in your records. And there you have it. You now know how to locate your payment history on QuickBooks. Remember, the more familiar you become with QuickBooks' interface, the quicker and more efficiently you'll be able to manage your finances. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.